If you're trying to make money online, especially from the comfort of your home, watch today's video patiently to the end. You will learn the steps to take to make money online easily. Let me give you a secret that is not hidden. The power of artificial intelligence, AI, is real. Don't be left out. AI has made many processes very easy in these present times, including making money online. You can use AI to render valuable services that earn you a lot of money. Just open your mind to the endless opportunities available to you. Learn, act on what you have learned, and enjoy the benefits. Now let's delve right into 7 ways you can make money online. The number 1 way you can make money online is freelancing. Offer your skills and services on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, programmer, or marketer, there's likely someone out there willing to pay for your expertise. Freelancing is one major way you can make money online. Here are the steps you can take when it comes to freelancing. 1. Identify your skills. Determine what skills you have that are in demand in the freelancing market. This could be writing, graphic design, web development, digital marketing, social media management, translation, virtual assistants, and many more. 2. Create a portfolio. Build a portfolio showcasing your previous work if applicable. This could include samples of articles you've written, designs you've created, websites you've developed, or any other relevant projects. If you're just starting out and don't have any previous work to showcase, consider creating some examples to demonstrate your skills. 3. Sign up on freelancing platforms. Create accounts on freelancing platforms such as Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, Guru, or People Per Hour. These platforms connect freelancers with clients looking to hire for various projects. 4. Optimize your profile. Complete your profile on each freelancing platform, including a professional photo, a compelling headline, a summary of your skills and experience, and any relevant certifications or qualifications you have. 5. Search for jobs. Browse through the job listings on the freelancing platforms and apply to projects that match your skills and interests. You can also set up alerts to notify you when new jobs are posted in your field. 6. Submit proposals. Write customized proposals for each job you apply to, highlighting why you're the right fit for the project and how you can help the client achieve their goals. Be sure to tailor your proposals to each job and showcase your relevant experience. 7. Deliver high-quality work. If you're hired for a project, deliver high-quality work within the agreed-upon time frame. Communicate regularly with the client to provide updates and address any questions or concerns they may have. 8. Build your reputation. As you complete more projects and receive positive reviews from clients, your reputation as a freelancer will grow. Positive reviews and ratings can help you attract more clients and command higher rates for your services. 9. Expand your skills and services. Continuously learn and improve your skills to stay competitive in the freelancing market. Consider expanding your services or learning new skills that are in demand to broaden your client base. 10. Manage your finances. Keep track of your earnings, expenses, and taxes as a freelancer. The next way you can make money online is by conducting online surveys and market research. Participate in online surveys and market research studies through platforms like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Amazon Mechanical Turk. While this may not make you rich, it can provide some extra cash for relatively little effort. Imagine you're sitting at home and a company wants to know what people think about their new product. They might pay you to answer some questions about it. That's like doing a survey. You can also make your own surveys and get paid for the answers you collect. Sometimes companies want to hear more detailed opinions, so they invite people to group discussions. You can join these discussions and share your thoughts to earn money. If you're good at talking to people and understanding what they need, you can offer your help to companies that want to learn more about their customers. They might pay you for your advice or insights. Additionally, if you have a website or a social media account, you can tell people about survey websites. When they sign up through your link, you can earn some money. Lastly, if you have a lot of data or information from surveys, you might be able to sell it to companies who want to learn more about their customers or market trends. These are all different ways you can make money by sharing your opinions and insights with companies online. The next way you can make money online is to sell products online. Utilize platforms like eBay, Etsy, or Amazon to sell products. You can either sell items you already own, create your own products, such as crafts or digital products, or buy and resell items for a profit. Let's explore how to effectively use platforms like eBay, Etsy, or Amazon to sell products without using numbering. Selling items online can be a lucrative venture. Whether you're clearing out your closet, crafting handmade goods, or finding deals to resell at a profit, here's how you can maximize your earning potential. Selling items you already own. Look around your home for items you no longer need or use. These could be clothing, electronics, books, or collectibles. Take clear photos and write detailed descriptions of each item. List them on platforms like eBay or Amazon and be transparent about the condition, shipping costs, and delivery times. Creating your own products. If you're crafty or artistic, consider turning your hobbies into a business by selling handmade or unique products on platforms like Etsy. Whether it's handcrafted jewelry, artwork, or digital downloads, showcase your creations with professional photos and compelling descriptions. Engage with potential buyers and provide excellent customer service to build a loyal customer base. Buying and reselling for profit. Hunt for bargains at thrift stores, garage sales, or clearance sales, and then resell items for a profit on online marketplaces. Research trending products and niche markets to identify profitable opportunities. Clean, refurbish, or package items to enhance their appeal, and create enticing listings with competitive pricing and detailed descriptions. Utilizing fulfillment services. Streamline your operations by using fulfillment services like Fulfillment by Amazon, FBA. Ship your inventory to Amazon's warehouses, and they'll handle storage, packaging, and shipping when orders are placed. This frees up your time to focus on sourcing inventory, marketing your products, and growing your business. Offering exceptional customer service. Building trust and credibility is key to success in online selling. Provide excellent customer service by promptly responding to inquiries, addressing any issues or concerns, and shipping orders quickly and securely. Positive feedback and reviews can help attract more customers and increase sales. Optimizing your listings. Improve your visibility and attract more buyers by optimizing your product listings. Use relevant keywords in your titles and descriptions to improve search rankings. Utilize high-quality images and provide detailed descriptions that accurately showcase your product's features and benefits. Expanding your reach. Diversify your sales channels by selling on multiple platforms and utilizing social media to promote your products. The next way you can make money online is to start a blog or YouTube channel. Create content on a topic you're passionate about and monetize it through advertising, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or selling digital or physical products related to your niche. Here's how you can embark on this journey and unlock the full potential of monetization. Choose your niche. Begin by identifying a topic or subject area that genuinely excites you. Your chosen niche should reflect your interests, expertise, and the kind of content you're eager to create consistently. Craft compelling content. Once you've settled on your niche, focus on creating content that captivates and engages your audience. For a blog, this might involve writing informative articles, sharing personal stories, offering practical tips, or reviewing products and services. On YouTube, you can produce videos that entertain, educate, inspire, or provide value in some form. Consider leveraging different formats such as tutorials, vlogs, interviews, or reviews to keep your content fresh and varied. Build your audience. Building an audience is crucial for the success of your blog or YouTube channel. Consistency is key. Regularly publish new content and promote it across various channels, including social media, email newsletters, online communities, and relevant forums. Engage with your audience by responding to comments, asking for feedback, and fostering a sense of community around your content. Explore monetization strategies. As your audience grows, you can explore various monetization avenues to generate revenue from your blog or YouTube channel. Sponsorships. Collaborate with brands or companies relevant to your niche and audience. Create sponsored content, product reviews, or branded integrations in exchange for payment or free products. Maintain transparency by clearly disclosing sponsored content to your audience. Affiliate marketing. Recommend products or services that align with your content and audience's interests. Join affiliate programs offered by retailers, online marketplaces, or affiliate networks and earn commissions for sales or leads generated through your affiliate links. Selling digital or physical products. Develop and sell digital products such as ebooks, online courses, printables, or software tools tailored to your audience's needs. Stay consistent and adapt. Consistency is vital for maintaining and growing your audience over time. Stick to a regular posting schedule and continue to produce high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your audience. Embarking on a blogging or YouTube journey requires dedication, patience, and perseverance. With creativity, persistence, and a genuine connection with your audience, you can turn your blog or YouTube channel into a thriving business. Feel free to check the description section and the pinned comment for links to help you create videos easily. The next way you can make money online is online tutoring or coaching. If you're knowledgeable in a particular subject or skill, you can offer tutoring or coaching services online through platforms like Tutor.com, Chegg Tutors, or Teachable. You can teach anything from academic subjects to music, fitness, or even life coaching. Offering tutoring or coaching services online is an excellent way to share your knowledge and skills while earning money. Here's how you can do it. First, identify the subjects or skills you're knowledgeable about and passionate about teaching. This could be academic subjects like math or science, or skills like music, fitness, writing, or life coaching. Next, choose an online platform where you can offer your services. Websites like Tutor.com, Chegg Tutors, Wezant, or Teachable connect tutors and coaches with students seeking assistance in various subjects and skills. Create a compelling profile on your chosen platform, highlighting your qualifications, experience, and teaching style. Use professional photos and descriptive language to showcase your expertise and approach to tutoring or coaching. Define the services you'll offer, such as one-on-one tutoring sessions, group classes, or self-paced courses. Clearly outline the topics or subjects you'll cover and the learning outcomes students can expect to achieve. Set your rates based on factors like your expertise, demand for your services, and market rates. Consider offering introductory rates or package deals to attract new students. Promote your services through social media, online communities, educational forums, and word-of-mouth referrals. Create engaging content to demonstrate your expertise and attract new clients. Deliver high-quality tutoring or coaching sessions tailored to meet the individual needs and learning styles of your students. Provide constructive feedback and encouragement to facilitate their progress. Seek feedback from your students to identify areas for improvement and refine your teaching techniques accordingly. Stay updated on the latest developments in your field and invest in ongoing professional development. By leveraging your expertise and passion for teaching, you can create a rewarding and profitable online tutoring or coaching business, making a positive impact on the lives of your students. By the way, if you are enjoying this video, hit the like button. The next way you can make money online is virtual assistants. Provide administrative or technical support to businesses or individuals remotely. Tasks can include email management, data entry, social media management, customer service, and more. Websites like Virtual Assistant Jobs, Upwork, or Remote.co can help you find opportunities. Here's a more detailed explanation. 1. Tasks you can do. Remote administrative or technical support involves assisting businesses or individuals with a wide range of tasks. Some common tasks include email management, sorting, responding to, and organizing emails to ensure timely communication and follow-up. Data entry, entering, updating, and maintaining information in databases, spreadsheets, or other digital formats. Social media management, creating and scheduling posts, responding to comments or messages, and monitoring analytics to optimize engagement. Customer service, providing support to customers via email, chat, or phone to address inquiries, resolve issues, or provide assistance with products or services. Calendar management, scheduling appointments, meetings, or events, and coordinating logistics to ensure efficient time management. Content creation, writing blog posts, articles, or social media content to engage audiences and promote products or services. Research, conducting online research on various topics, gathering relevant information, and summarizing findings for decision-making purposes. Technical support, assisting with software installations, troubleshooting technical issues, or providing guidance on using digital tools or platforms. 2. Where to find opportunities. You can find remote support opportunities on various online platforms and job boards. Websites like Virtual Assistant Jobs, Upwork, Remote.co, Freelancer, and FlexJobs regularly post job listings for remote administrative or technical support roles. You can create a profile showcasing your skills and experience. Browse available job listings and apply to those that align with your expertise and interests. 3. How it works. Once you secure a remote support role, you'll typically communicate with clients or employers via email, phone calls, video conferences, or messaging apps. They'll assign you tasks or projects to complete remotely, providing necessary instructions, deadlines, and access to relevant resources or systems. You'll use your computer and internet connection to complete tasks from anywhere, typically on a flexible schedule that suits your availability. 4. Building relationships. Maintaining open communication and building strong relationships with your clients or employers is essential for success in remote support roles. Regularly update them on your progress, seek clarification when needed, and provide proactive solutions to any challenges that arise. By demonstrating reliability, professionalism, and a commitment to delivering high-quality work, you can establish yourself as a trusted remote support provider and potentially secure long-term partnerships or referrals. 5. Continuous learning and growth. To stay competitive in the remote support field, it's essential to stay updated on industry trends, tools, and best practices. Invest in continuous learning through online courses, workshops, or certifications to expand your skill set and remain relevant in the evolving digital landscape. Additionally, seek feedback from clients or employers to identify areas for improvement and refine your approach to delivering remote support services. By providing remote administrative or technical support, you can leverage your skills and expertise to help businesses or individuals streamline their operations, increase efficiency, and achieve their goals, all while enjoying the flexibility and autonomy of remote work. The next way you can make money online is affiliate marketing. Promote products or services through affiliate links on your website, blog, or social media channels. Whenever someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. Many companies offer affiliate programs, including Amazon, ClickBank, and ShareASale. Here's a breakdown of promoting products or services through affiliate links in an easy-to-understand format. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a way to earn money by promoting products or services on platforms like your website, blog, or social media channels. When someone clicks on your unique affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission from the company selling the product or service. How does it work? Join affiliate programs. Sign up for affiliate programs offered by companies like Amazon, ClickBank, ShareASale, or others relevant to your niche. Once approved, you'll receive a unique affiliate link that tracks clicks and purchases made through it. Promote products. Choose products or services that align with your audience and interests. Write compelling content or create engaging posts highlighting the benefits of the products or services you're promoting. Incorporate your affiliate links naturally within your content. Drive traffic. Share your content containing affiliate links on your website, blog, social media channels, email newsletters, or other platforms where your audience engages. Focus on providing value and building trust with your audience to encourage clicks and conversions. Earn commissions. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The commission rate varies depending on the affiliate program and product category. Some programs offer a fixed commission per sale, while others offer a percentage of the sale amount. Tips for success. Choose relevant products. Select products or services that resonate with your audience's interests and needs. Authenticity and relevance are key to building trust and driving conversions. Create quality content. Produce high-quality content that educates, entertains, or solves a problem for your audience. Use persuasive language and visuals to compel users to click on your affiliate links. Disclose your affiliate relationships. Be transparent with your audience about your affiliate partnerships. Disclose your use of affiliate links in accordance with legal regulations and industry best practices. Track and analyze performance. Monitor the performance of your affiliate links using tracking tools provided by affiliate programs or third-party platforms. Analyze metrics such as clicks, conversions, and earnings to optimize your promotional strategies. Affiliate marketing offers a flexible and potentially lucrative way to monetize your online presence. By strategically promoting relevant products or services through affiliate links, you can earn commissions while providing value to your audience. With dedication, consistency, and a focus on building trust, you can succeed as an affiliate marketer and generate passive income streams over time. Someone watching this video can have questions like, what do I choose out of these numerous options? The answer lies on your skills, talent, and interest. When you choose to do what you are compassionate about, it is easier to thrive in the face of challenges. Remember, while these methods can be effective for making money online, they may require time, effort, and sometimes a bit of trial and error to find what works best for you. To make it easier, learn from experts who have a track record of success in the path you have chosen. Always remember to do your due diligence before you make financial decisions. This video does not replace your due diligence. Do not forget to share, like, and subscribe to this channel. See you in our next video shown on your screen.